Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at 5 of the most exciting and trending gadgets that are making waves in the tech world. From smart glasses to AI-powered devices, these gadgets are changing the way we work, play, and stay connected. Let's get started. Gadget 1. Apple Vision Pro. Our first gadget is the Apple Vision Pro, one of the most advanced mixed reality headsets available today. The Vision Pro combines virtual reality and augmented reality into a single premium device. What makes it special is its incredibly sharp display, eye-tracking technology, and natural hand gesture controls. You can watch movies on a giant virtual screen, attend virtual meetings, browse the web, and even work with multiple apps floating around you in a 3D environment. The build quality is excellent, and the user experience feels futuristic. However, the device is quite expensive, which may not make it suitable for everyone. Overall, if you're looking for cutting-edge technology and want to experience the future of computing, the Apple Vision Pro is definitely worth checking out. Gadget 2. Samsung Galaxy Ring. Next up is the Samsung Galaxy Ring, a smart ring designed for health and fitness tracking. Unlike a smartwatch, this tiny device sits comfortably on your finger while continuously monitoring your health. It tracks sleep quality, heart rate, daily activity, and recovery levels. One of the biggest advantages is its lightweight design and long battery life. Many users prefer wearing a ring during sleep instead of a bulky smartwatch. The companion app provides detailed insights and helpful recommendations to improve your overall wellness. If you're interested in health tracking, but want something more comfortable and discreet than a smartwatch, the Galaxy Ring is a fantastic choice. Gadget 3. DJI Mini 4 Pro Drone. Our third gadget is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a compact drone packed with professional features. Despite its small size, it captures stunning 4K video and high-quality photos. The obstacle avoidance system helps prevent crashes, making it beginner-friendly while still offering advanced controls for experienced users. Content creators, travelers, and photography enthusiasts love this drone because it's lightweight and easy to carry. The intelligent flight modes allow you to create cinematic shots with minimal effort. If you're looking to elevate your photography and videography, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is one of the best portable drones available today. Gadget 4. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. Coming in at number 4 are the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. These smart glasses look like regular sunglasses, but include built-in cameras, speakers, and AI-powered features. You can capture photos, record videos, listen to music, make calls, and even ask AI questions without taking out your phone. The design is stylish and comfortable, making them practical for everyday use. The camera quality is impressive for such a small device, and the hands-free experience feels incredibly convenient. For people who love wearable technology and content creation, these smart glasses offer a unique combination of fashion and functionality. Gadget 5. Anker Prime Power Bank. Our final gadget is the Anker Prime Power Bank, a powerful charging solution for modern devices. With high-capacity batteries and fast-charging technology, it can charge smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other gadgets multiple times. The built-in display shows charging speed, battery percentage, and other useful information. What makes it stand out is its reliability and ability to charge several devices at once. Whether you're traveling, working remotely, or simply need backup power throughout the day, this power bank is an excellent investment. It's practical, efficient, and incredibly useful for anyone who depends on their tech devices. So that's our list of the top 5 trending gadgets you should check out this year. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.